Within minutes, local ferries and emergency responders arrive on scene to rescue passengers and crew from the icy waters. A number of people are treated for hypothermia. But only 5 people suffer more serious injuries. Not a single life was lost in this dramatic ordeal.
This pilot is the reason my daughter, my 2.5-year-old, has a dad.
Sullenberger emerged as a national hero. The Miracle on the Hudson incident prompted a reevaluation of protocols, training, and aircraft design to prevent bird strikes and to enhance passenger safety. After this extraordinary story of survival, let's travel a little west of New York City for number 9 in our ranking, to the site of a terrifying chain reaction car crash. On the 28th of March 2022, the state of Pennsylvania is experiencing unseasonably low temperatures. As most of the northern hemisphere is warming up for spring, the conditions on Interstate 81 in Schuylkill County are cold and wintry. As cars drive along the highway, a sudden snow squall whips through the area. A snow squall is a brief but intense burst of heavy snowfall, accompanied by strong winds and potential lightning strikes. These short-lived episodes can bring about flash freezes, which quickly coat highways with ice due to rapidly dropping temperatures. The element of surprise and the speed of the phenomenon is treacherous. Blue sky 1 minute and zero visibility or grip the next. And on